So I hope the Python window is visible to everyone. Yes, 11th class. So this is the program. Write a program to calculate in how many days a work will be completed by three persons A, B, and C together. A, B, and C take X days, Y days, and Z days to do the job done. The formula to calculate number of days if they work together is XYZ divided by XY plus YZ plus XZ, where XYZ are given input to the program by the user. So A, B, and C, there are three persons who are working on X days, Y days, and Z days. We are to calculate the number of days they work together. And the formula has been given to us, XYZ divided by XY, YZ plus XZ. Okay. So let us start the program. First of all, the question is saying that we are to input the data. Okay. So first of all, let us input the days. Int input function, enter the days, enter the working days of a person. Now see here, input function in the last lecture I told you is used to input the data from the keyboard, and whatever data you are inputting from the keyboard, the data is converted in the string form. Whatever data is inputted by using the input function, it is in string form. But we cannot perform any calculations, any mathematical calculations on string. So we have to convert our data into numeric type. Numeric type means integer or float. That is why I have taken integer function here. This function, whatever value you will input from the keyboard, will be in the string form. Like if I'm inputting 10, 10 will be input like this. It will be converted into string form. But outside the input function, I have taken integer function. Now integer function will convert this string data into numeric data. It will become 10. Now this 10 is in numeric form and you can perform mathematical calculations on it. I hope the role of integer function and input function is thoroughly clear to everyone. Okay. So next I'm taking number of days for the person Y. Same function I will take. Enter the working days for B. Okay. Then Z, int input, enter the working days for C. Okay, so number of days I have inputted from the keyboard. This work I have done. Now I have to found the number of days they work together by using this formula, right? So what I will do, I will take work as the variable. I am taking work as the variable. You can take any variable you want, equal to X into Y into Z, this portion. Okay. Then divide by XY plus YZ plus XZ. Okay. So I am taking here xy means x into y plus yz means y into z plus xz means x into z. In programming, when you want to write xy, in mathematics you can write like this xy. In mathematics, xy means x into y. But in programming, you have to particularly show the multiplication symbol if you want to show the product operation. Now, finally, you print the result. Number of days A, comma B and C work together, work. Print the variable work. I hope the concept is clear to everyone what I have done. Yes, 11th class. I hope the logic is thoroughly clear to everyone. Okay, so let us run this code. So enter the working days for A, I am taking 10. Enter the working days for B, I am taking 15. Enter the working days for C, I am taking 12. So 4 days A, B and C persons, they work together. All right. Am I clear to everyone? Any doubt, any questions, any queries, you can raise your hand. I will unmute you and I will solve your query. Is it totally clear, beta? So let us proceed to the next question. Okay. This is the next program that we are to do today. Write a program to input 3 numbers and swap them as per the given criteria. Swap means interchange. Swap means interchange. Second number gets the value of first plus second number. जो second number है वो first plus second दोनों को add करके बनेगा. जो third number है वो second plus third को add करके बनेगा. So I take 3 variables A, again using the integer function and the input function. I am inputting the value, enter first number. Okay. B, again integer type number, input from the keyboard, enter second number. Then again third number, again integer type, using the integer function, enter third number. All the 3 numbers are inputted. Okay. So A, comma B, comma C equal to. Now, what is the criteria? How to interchange? Second number get the value of first plus second. This is first number, this is second number, this is third number. Now here see carefully. The program is giving information about second and third number, but no information is being given with respect to first number. So first number will come as it is. This assignment questions we did in the last lecture. First value on the right hand side is assigned to first variable on the left hand side. Now second value. Second number gets the value of first and second. So it becomes first and second. Correlate. First value from right hand side will be assigned to first variable on the left hand side. Second value on the right hand side will be assigned to second variable on the left hand side. Where I have written A, B, C, these variables, this is left hand side. Where I have written the values and the expressions, this is on the right hand side. Second variable B, second number, get the value of first plus second. Second number, get the value of first and second. To those whom I am clear, immediately raise your thumb. To those students whom I am totally clear, immediately raise your thumb. Now, third number, which is the third number? C. C is the third number. Third number gets the value of second plus third. Okay, tell me, what is the second number? How we will calculate second number? Who will tell? The one who has understood the question will definitely give the answer. Yes, Nidhi, unmute yourself.
B plus C.
Beta, I am asking the second number. Second number is B. What is the criteria for the second number? Yes, Nidhi, unmute, beta. Second number, Nidhi.
Second will be A plus B.
Ha, A plus B. Very right. Now see here. Third number get the value of second plus third. ये देखो. Second हम निकाल चुके हैं A plus B. Second number we have found A plus B. Plus third number. How many have understood what I have done? सेकेंड नंबर आपने रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया A प्लस बी. सेकेंड नंबर निकलेगा A प्लस बी से. थर्ड नंबर क्या है? सेकेंड प्लस थर्ड. तो सेकेंड तो आपका A प्लस बी आप कैलकुलेट कर ही लोगे. थर्ड नंबर क्या है? C. C मैंने साथ में ऐड कर दिया. क्लियर? सो प्रिंट हेयर A then print B and then print C. Okay, am I clear? Am I totally clear? Run the program. Enter the first number 10, enter second number 20, enter third number 30. See here. Second number is first plus second, 30. 20 plus 10, 30. Third number is second plus third. Second is 30. 30 comes by 20 plus 10 plus third number 30. So third number is 60. Is the output clear to everyone? Yes, 11th class, is the output clear? Any doubt, any queries? Please raise your hand. I will unmute you. Any queries? Beta, there is no hard and fast rule that there is only one way to do the program. If you have some other logic, you can apply that, provided the logic should be correct. You can apply your own logic also, but on the condition that logic must be correct. Okay. So let us discuss another question. This is the third program that we are to do today. Now, as per this third program, we are to input any two variables and we are to swap their values using the third variable. We are to input two variables like x and y. X is 10, y is 20. Now I have to create a program in such a way that their values should get interchanged. X should become 20, y should become 10. Okay, so let us start. First of all, input the numbers, enter the first number, then y, enter the second number. Okay, now before swapping original values, print x equal to x, comma y equal to y. स्वैपिंग करने से पहले ओरिजिनल वैल्यूज क्या थी, अब हमने स्वैप करना है. स्वैप कैसे करना है? यूजिंग द थर्ड वेरिएबल. तो प्लीज सी हियर व्हाट वी आर टू डू. I have taken a third variable. Let the variable be w. I have taken a third variable. Let the variable be w. X has given its value to w. X वेरिएबल ने अपनी वैल्यू w वेरिएबल को दे दी. ठीक है, x के अंदर y की वैल्यू आ गई. The y variable has given its value to x variable. Now in the y variable, the value of w comes. See again. X has given or assigned its value to a temporary variable w. W is having the value of x. Y has given its value to x. Y was 20. Now x becomes 20. Now w has given its value to y. W was having the value of x, that is 10. Now y becomes 10. Earlier x was 10. Now y is 10. Earlier y was 20. Now x is 20. Okay. So print swapped values. Print x equal to x, comma y equal to y. Am I clear with the code? Any doubt, any queries? Any queries anybody having, please feel free to ask me. So I run the code. Enter the first number x, 10. Enter the second number 20. See here, original values x 10, y 20. When we swap, when we interchange their value, x becomes 20, y becomes 10. Am I clear to all? Yes, class 11th. Am I clear to all? Any doubt, any queries? Any questions, please? Feel free to ask me. Okay. Now I have one output question to discuss. Bete, output question means you will be given one code. You will be given one code. You have to solve that code and you have to find the output exactly it will appear in Python software. So let us solve the questions. Keep one rough notebook in front of you. All of you keep one rough notebook in front of you, and while solving the output question, I request everybody to on the video so that I can interact with you people. I request everyone to on the video so that while solving the question, I can interact with you people. See here, this is the first question. Let us solve it. Solution. In the test syllabus, you might have seen I have written assignment related question. This is what I mean by that. Assignment related questions, such type of output questions. All right. Beta, no need to worry about the question, about the code. Just be confident. Step by step, whatever has been given, just start doing that. Now in this question, we have been given A, B, C with the value 10, 20, 30. Okay, who will tell the value of A? Who will tell me the value of A? Yes, Himanshu, unmute yourself and tell me the value of A.
Sir, 10.
Very good. Riddhi Samriddhi, unmute yourself and tell me the value of B.
20.
20. Very good. Divanshi, unmute yourself. Tell me the value of C.
Sir, 30.
30. So A is 10, B is 20, C is 30. Okay? Clear? Now coming to the next statement. Now here the rule is, listen the rule. First of all, solve these expressions on the right hand side. Then assign the values to the variable on the left hand side. Start solving. C minus 5. C is 30. 30 minus 5. 25. 30 minus 5. 25. Okay. Then A plus 3. A is 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 3, 13. B minus 4. B is 20. 20 minus 4, 16. 20 minus 4, 16. Now these are the result of these expressions. Now they have to be assigned to P, Q, and R. They have to be assigned to P, Q, and R. Okay, tell me the value of P. Very good. So many hands are up. Very nice. Yes, Yuvraj. Yuvraj, unmute yourself.
Sir, P की value 25.
P 25.
Q 13.
Q 13.
R 16.
R 16. Very good, Yuvraj. And very good to everyone because so many students have raised the hand. Now, beta, this is the output, but How to display in Python? You have to write like that. See here. बेटा जो डबल कोट्स या सिंगल कोट में दिया है वो तो एज इट इज लिख देना है आपने. ये देखो आउटपुट कैसे लिखना है. जो चीज डबल कोट्स में या सिंगल कोट में है वो तो एज इट इज लिख देनी है. तो पहला आउटपुट क्या होगा? ए कॉमा बी कॉमा सी कोलन 10 20 30. ओके, क्लियर? Then see here, end parameter has been given and end parameter is having space. अगर ये end parameter ना होता तो अगली प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट का रिजल्ट अगली लाइन में आता. ये वाली प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट का रिजल्ट नेक्स्ट लाइन में आता, पर यहां पर एंड लग चुका है. अब इसका मतलब है दिस मीन्स द नेक्स्ट प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट विल कम इन द सेम लाइन सेपरेटेड बाय स्पेस. P, Q, R colon 25 13 16. Am I clear? Let us check the output. See here, this is the output of the first question. You can check. Am I clear? This is the way you have to write the output in your answer sheets. Exactly the way it will appear in Python window. All right. Now see here. To make you more clear about the output, I remove this end parameter here. Now anybody can tell me what will be the result? What effect it will bring in the result? Yes, Kavya, unmute yourself.
सर जो ABC की वैल्यूज हैं वो एक लाइन में आएंगी और जो PQR की वैल्यूज है वो नेक्स्ट लाइन में आएंगी.
Very right, Kavya, very good. Run module. See here, ABC output in one line, PQR output in other line. I hope the question is totally clear to everyone. Now for your self practice, I give you 1 minute. All of you solve this output question and tell me the result. I will wait for 1 minute. All of you quickly solve this output and tell me result here and here only. Yes, Yuvraj, any doubt you have? Please unmute yourself.
सर जैसे आपने आउटपुट 1 जो है वो कर दी, बट साथ में जब आपने रन करा तो आउटपुट 2 का भी आंसर आ गया, तो बिना कमेंट टैग लगाए उसको हम ऐसे कर सकते कि उसका आउटपुट ना निकले.
Wait,
एग्जिट टैग.
wait. You can make it comment. You can make it comment. If you want, no output of this question should come. Now output only of first question will come. See, Yuvraj. Am I clear? If you want to ignore any statement in Python, you don't want the statement should be part of the program, you make it comment. I think you people might have solved this output. So who will tell the answer? Yes, Divanshi, unmute yourself.
Sir, the value of A is 12, B is 6.0, and C 24.
A is
12,
12. Okay. B
6.
6.0
0.0.
because it is divide symbol, it will give answer in float. Okay. And
the value of
C
24.
C 24.
24.
See here, this is the answer. Now see, in this question, I have not given anything in double quotes. I have not given any message in double quotes. Only direct variable name is there. So direct values will get print. Am I clear? Today's lecture is thoroughly clear to everyone.